Okay, I'm making a bike check, as you can tell by the description. It's a Fit Bike Co. Inman 2011. Bought it off Dan's Comp. Alright, we'll start from the front. I've got custom fit sky high bars, a stolen Convict V3 it is, I think. FBM top bolt, FBM forks. The forks and bars are only chrome right now because I'm not sure what color I want to paint them, so I just have them sanded down so far. I've got a red Kenda contact tire in the front and also in the back, and I've got a stock fit front rim. I've got stock fit cranks with a Eastern Medusa 23 tooth chain wheel. I've got a Sputnik whip chain in yellow. Then I've got the fit stock seat. I have a stolen Thermalite peg in red. I also have a reverse free coaster back rim in green. And I will be ordering a new seat, Shadow Conspiracy seat in clear, pivotal, and then new bar ends so I can start up on bar spins again. And yeah, I hope you guys like my bike. Overall, I think it's a pretty decent bike to have. It rides nice, smooth, all that good stuff. Alright,